Good morning, children, and welcome to your maths class. Today we will learn about number 19. Yes, N I N E T E E N 19. Number 19 comes after number 18. Look at this picture and count the objects. In this picture, there are two children are looking to the aquarium. There are 19 fishes in an aquarium. "19 fishes." Let's see some more examples. 19 tennis balls. 19 rackets. 'Children, in this lesson, we learned about fish. Do you know, can a fish live without water? Yes, fish cannot live without water. How many fishes are there in this picture? Can you count them? Yes, there are 19 fishes. Let's learn to write number 19. We can write it in numbers and in words. You can see the red dot. Place your pencil on red dot and move it on the other dots. It is very easy. For more updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel.